Volkswagen Barbie, and we're back in the shop today. So I'm going to pull you in a little bit closer and give you a little sneak peek of what we were getting done yesterday on Felix. He's getting close to getting that engine stabbed, so I'm going to flip this camera around. So he's looking a little messy right now, but that's how progress happens. So over here, we've got his rear end coming together nicely. We're not going to attach these bottom shocks because this is going to have to be removed when we get ready to stab that giant engine in. But we've got wires starting to go where they are actually supposed to be. Things are happening. Brakes are looking great. We do have a little bit of a wiring mess up there too we got to deal with. But yesterday we actually got all of this installed. So now he officially has his radiator in. Shocks, things. So he's coming along nicely. More work today. Peace out.